Hi guys, welcome back to Kylie Jade's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing fish pizza. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie Jade's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's Kylie Kitchen_1, and also on Facebook it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So in a large bowl I will go in with my flour, and I'm using regular counter flour today. If you guys have all-purpose flour, you can always go ahead and use it. Then I will go in and add my salt and combine both of them together nicely, because you want to ensure that it is nicely combined and evenly distributed. Then I will go in and start adding my cold water, and you don't want to add all of the water at once. You just want to add small amount until your dough comes together nicely. Now I do have a video on my channel how to make butter dumpling, and guys, it is the same thing that we're going to make right here, because we're going to use that same dough to make our pizza. You can always go ahead and check it out and just let me know what you think. And just to note, I will not be adding any yeast or baking powder to my flour. All right, just the salt and the flour, that is it. So I will leave a link in the description box. You can always go ahead and check that out. Once my dough comes together nicely, I will just go ahead and put it to the side, cover it, put it to the side, and just leave it there for roughly about 10 minutes. Just allow it to rest. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local farmer's market and you will get fish there. You will get sliced fish as well as fish fillet. You can always go ahead and use whichever one you want to use. So this is it. My dough is all rested. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and separate my dough in two halves. Of course, I'm going to add some flour just to get rid of some of that stickiness. And then I will just go ahead and start rolling out my dough. I also went ahead and put on my frying pot on the stove, add my butter. As I said, you can always go ahead and check out the recipe for the butter dumpling, and you'll see how this dough comes together nicely. What I will do, once it's nicely rolled out thin and nice, I will just go ahead and put it in the frying pot for roughly about a minute on each side. Then I will go ahead and remove it. So after that Easter festivity, all of that fish, all of that goodness, I do have some sliced fish remaining, right? So I decided to just make some pizza with it. And guys, this was amazing. Listen, I went ahead and just removed the bone from my fish, because you don't want to have the bone in the pizza. You just want to enjoy your pizza. So you just have to take some time and just remove that bone. But if you guys don't want to use the sliced fish, you can always go ahead and use the fish fillet. So basically my fish is already cooked and it is brown stew fish. So I just went ahead, as I said, separate it, and then we're going to use it to make pizza. So as you can see, I applied some of my pizza sauce to my dough, and you just want to spread that out nicely and cover all of the areas, and you want to put the dough on a flat surface. I also went ahead and preheat my oven at 250 degrees, and we're going to bake this for roughly about 25 minutes. Now I'm going to go in and add my cheese, and of course, if you visit your supermarket, you will see different kinds of cheese there. You can always go ahead and just check out and purchase the one that you like. This one works well for me. It's an Italian cheese, and you guys can always go ahead and check your supermarket, as I said, and you will see different kind of cheese there as well. Now I will go in and add my bell peppers and my onion, and of course you want to add that all over the pizza dough. Once that is added nicely, I will go in and start adding my fish. And of course, I just take my time and remove all of that bone. So no bone is in my fish. So once I add the fish on top, I will go in and add some more cheese because I want it to be cheesy and nice. And once I'm finished adding the cheese on top, what I will do, I will just go ahead and pop this in the oven for roughly about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, I will come back and show you guys. We're also going to go ahead and slice into this goodness, and I will just show you guys the finishing product. So just in case you don't want to have any rice, you can always go ahead and prepare this amazing pizza at home with your families and your friends, and you can always go ahead and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. All right, so this is my pizza looking all lovely and nice. So what I'm gonna do now, basically I'm just gonna go ahead and slice into it. What I did, I went ahead and just add some dry parsley flakes on top. And basically this is it. So once you're finished slicing up our pizza, I'm gonna go ahead and serve it up and show you guys the final product of this amazing fish pizza. So just in case you guys have shrimp, you can always go ahead and add shrimp. Or if you have lobster, you can always go ahead and add lobster. You can always go ahead and just add your favorite topping, by the way. So if you don't want to add fish, you can always go ahead and add something else. You just have to be creative. As I always encourage you guys to be in the kitchen. Just utilize whatever you have at home and just enjoy your food. Listen, food is amazing. I love food. I love to cook. So basically this is it, the final product of my amazing fish pizza. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember guys to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell. Guys, just want to thank you for your love, for your support. We reached 8,000 subscribers, going on to 9,000. So let's get there. All right. Thank you again for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and thank you again.